Hey, I'm Preston McIntyre with Rotochopper. I'm the South Central Regional Sales Manager. And today we're just out visiting some customers. We are in Springfield, Missouri, checking in on Mike Walker at Hansen's Tree Service. A few months back, we delivered Mike's new Rotochopper B66L. We took in and trade his previous B66. He just had a great year this year, just in the mulch and compost sales. And then just in the land clearing division, he's really gotten a lot of new land clearing jobs, and the B66L really lends itself to that application much better than a rubber tired B66. So we're just going to stop in and check with Mike to see how things are going since he's had this new machine a few months. One of the things that Mike was first concerned about before he bought his first Rotochopper was just the factory direct. It was a different business model than what he's done in years past with other equipment, and I know just from talking with him, it was a real concern. And so it'll be nice to catch up with him and just see how things are going and see if the factory direct business model still is the way that he likes to do things. So we'll pull into Mike's place and see what he's got going on. Hey Mike, how are you today?
Hey Preston, what are you up to?
Well, I'm just out checking on people, seeing how things are going.
Good to see you, good to see you. I'm actually getting ready to head out into the yard for a second. You want to come with me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
So did you add some new bins? Because these weren't here the last time I was here.
Yeah, this spring we ordered some more rock, so we built some more bins for that. And of course, we've still got our same mulch bins that we've had for quite a while. So
mulch looks good.
Man, it has been a crazy year. We've sold more mulch and done more grinding than we have ever. So it's been great.
So how's new L working out?
L has been doing good. We're actually grinding just right down the road. If you want to go check it out, we're doing some regrinds.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
It'd be great.
You had your new B66L for about 4 months now. How's it working out?
It's been great. As you know, 4 months ago we were way behind in all of our yards, had a lot of material dumped in there, and that L has allowed us to get caught up. I mean, our yards are looking good. We've reached out to a lot of the contractors that we really didn't work for a lot in the past and said, hey, we've got a track machine now that can go out on these jobs and do a lot more land clearing. So that has really picked up a lot.
So when we pulled in, you guys were doing some regrind, and we watched them doing some regrind for a bit. I know you're switching over to do some pallet grinding, and so I think you'll do pallet grinding this afternoon, and then move to the land clearing.
So we love the Rotochopper Screen Change. Of all the machines we've had, it is by far the fastest and the easiest, because we do a multiple of things. We do land clearing, we do pallets, we make mulch. So we are switching screens on a regular basis, and just the speed and the ease of doing that, the guys love it. And we believe that there is not a machine out there that can compete with how fast you can change the screens on a Rotochopper from one application to another.
So when we first started talking way back when you bought your first Rotochopper, I know that a big concern for you was the whole factory direct business model for us. Obviously you've had the Rotochopper for your first Rotochopper for a few years, and now a few months with this with the new B66L. The whole factory direct model, is that still working out for you? Do you like that?
We love the factory direct. We didn't know if we would in the beginning, but we absolutely love it. You guys know grinders, you know our machine, so when we call up there for parts or service, they know what we're working on and what we're working with, and they've always been able to get us back online and get anything we need within a couple days.
So your new Rotochopper, it has RotoLink. RotoLink is our remote diagnostic monitoring system. Are you guys using the RotoLink features much?
So we haven't used the RotoLink feature much on repairs since it's a pretty new machine. But we are really liking how I can log on at the computer in the office and show some of our guys that are running it, hey, why are we idling so much? And we're really zooming in and narrowing down rotor hours versus idle time. That way we know, hey, we put 40 hours on it this week and we got 35 hours of actual grinding wood and not 20 hours idling.
So you guys are getting caught up with this new grinder. What are you anticipating for this next year?
We're definitely actively looking for more clearing jobs. There's still a lot of building going on down here in Southwest Missouri. So we're kind of branching out. We're actually going to be doing a job here in Kansas City. So we're kind of moving out of our little area now that we can rely on this track machine and just go and do more work.
Very nice.